Okay, so basic algebra 5. We're getting there, slowly but surely we're getting there. Okay, now you could see something like this. And as soon as people see algebra, they tend to panic. But as soon as they see fractional algebra, they panic. Okay, now it's just knowing what you're looking at. Okay, now this is x divided by 3. This line means divided by. Okay, so I could rewrite this if you like. X divided by 3 equals 2. Now we want to know what x equals. So I want to move this over here, okay, to get x on its own. So the 2 stays where it is. Now remember the golden rule: if anything moves over the equal sign in either direction, the sign changes. So if x is being divided by 3, we reverse the sign, we change the sign. Now the opposite of divide is multiply by 3. So x equals 6. Okay, if you look at it logically, what you're saying is 1/3 of x equals 2. So 1/3 of a number equals 2, or 1/3 of 6 does equal 2. So I know this is right. Okay, so if you've got the unknown over something, you just bring it over and multiply. So if I've got x divided by 4 equals 5. So 1/4 of x equals 5. So x will equal 5 multiplied by 4, because the 4 changes from divide to multiply. So x equals 20. That's simple. 1/4 of 20 is 5, so we know this is true. Now sometimes what they'll do is they'll give you a question similar to this. So let's say we've got x over 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, now the urge is to move this 5 over. Okay, but we can't do that until we move this. Okay, so we have x over 5 equals 6 minus 1. Remember the sign changes. So we have x over 5. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. Now we can do what we normally do. So x will equal 5 times 5. So x will equal 25. Okay, so it's that simple. It really is that simple. So if you get a fraction of an unknown and then some other stuff, move the other stuff first. So let's just give you another one. So let's say we've got, it could be 2x. So 2x over 3 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, resist the urge to move this 3. We've got to get rid of this stray number first. So 2x over 3 equals 8 minus 6. Okay, plus becomes a minus. So 2x over 3 equals, now 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we can move this over. So 2x equals 2 times 3. So 2x equals 6. So if two things cost £6, one thing £3. Okay. And it's just like any other equation. If I put this value of x in, I don't bother, but you can if you want to check your work. If x is worth 3, 2x would be worth 6. Now 6 over 3, 6/3 gives you 2, and 2 plus 6 does give you 8. So I know that this answer is correct. Okay. So, like all algebra, it's just practice. Check your books, do a few, and you'll start getting them right. Your confidence will build, and then you'll find that it's not as difficult as you thought. Okay?